The film begins with a secret military project in which scientists create a high-tech robotic dog, XL Attack, Exploration Logistics. Its purpose is to create a perfect machine for the army, which can be used in dangerous missions. It is equipped with artificial intelligence and is programmed to follow orders. After an experiment goes wrong, XL is discovered in the desert, alone and damaged, by a kind outsider named Miles Alex Neustadter, who finds a way to connect with him after activating his owner's, Jody, technology. Together, the two develop a special friendship based on trust and loyalty. Helping Miles gain confidence, XL can go to any extent to protect his new companion, including facing the scientists who created him and who will do anything to get him back. Knowing what is at stake if XL is captured, Miles teams up with a smart, resourceful ally named Sarah Becky G to protect his new best friend in a timeless epic adventure for the whole family. XL is a top-secret robotic dog, created by the military to help protect tomorrow's soldiers. Codenamed XL Attack, Exploration Logistics by the scientists at Train Systems who created him, he represents the most advanced next-generation artificial intelligence. After an experiment goes wrong, XL is discovered alone and damaged in the desert by a kind outsider named Miles Hill, who finds a way to connect with him after activating his owner, Jody's, technology. Helping Miles gain confidence, XL can go to any extent to protect his new companion, including facing the scientists who created him and who will do anything to get him back, knowing what is at stake if XL is captured. Miles works with a smart person named Sarah Race to protect his new best friend. Miles Hill Alex Neustadter is an ambitious motocross racer, but his father, Chuck Thomas Jane, thinks he should look beyond racing for a better future. Miles often disagrees with Chuck, as Miles doesn't think he can get into college, and they are also strained after his mother's death. At a tech company called Train Systems, scientists Andrick and Randall are searching for their lost asset, a robotic dog named XL. Miles goes to a party at the house of a rich boy named Sam Fontaine, who gets money from his wealthy father. Sam also likes extreme sports. Miles goes to meet Sarah Race, who lives with her mother, Johanna, as she works for Sam's family. Sam and his friends call Miles to the hills so they can film Miles riding his motorcycle. Sam's friends put Coca-Cola in Miles' tank when he's not looking, and when he tries to jump, he crashes and passes out. Sam and the others give Miles only a bag and a jug of fuel before leaving him. A short distance from where he is, Miles meets XL, who initially sees him as a threat, but Miles proves to XL that he is friendly. Surprised to find the robotic dog, Miles tries to figure out what to do with XL. After asking Sam for his address, Sarah finds Miles. She meets XL and is initially scared, but quickly warms up to him. When Miles proves that XL is friendly, they sit by the campfire all night and discuss their personal lives, such as Miles' mother's death and Sarah's father's absence. Meanwhile, Andrick and Randall monitor XL's movements and interactions, and they see that Miles finds a special key that allows him to control and access XL. Sarah starts drawing pictures on the wall to show her skills. XL imitates the movements and something inside him shows Miles and Sarah a video explaining what XL is and that he was designed as a kind of killing machine. Miles tells XL that he's not really like that. Johanna asks Sam where Sarah went, and he goes out to the yard to find her. He argues with her when she acts like she's leaving him for Miles. He goes to attack Miles, but XL attacks Sam before he can do any harm. Sarah tells Miles to take XL away from Sam. Miles leaves after warning Sam to stay away from Sarah, but this only upsets him more, as it creates problems between Sam's family and his own. Miles and Sarah go back to Miles' house after hiding XL. Miles tries to tell Chuck about XL, but he doesn't want his son to keep anything dangerous and illegal. At the same time, Sam and his thugs go to find XL, where they attack him with a flamethrower and severely damage him. Miles and Sarah are notified on their phones, and they rush back to save XL. They take XL back to Miles' garage, where XL is repaired and his system is rebooted. He gets Sam's last memory, in which he said where he was going, and he goes to find him at a party. After scaring the other people at the party, XL attacks Sam and almost kills him until Miles and Sarah intervene. However, drones sent by Andrick find XL, and he is captured along with Miles and Sarah. Back at Train, Andrick tries to interrogate Miles for the XL key. Sarah is captured by a reprogrammed XL for her safety, but she manages to remind him who she is and that he is good, overwriting his system. XL helps Miles and Sarah escape just as military officers arrive to capture XL. Excel and Miles run away, leaving Andric and Randall to be arrested. Drones and a military helicopter chase Excel. He and Miles have a final moment together when Excel runs away to self-destruct to avoid capture. Miles goes to an unknown location with Sarah. They are on the beach when they receive a package from Chuck. It is the Excel key. Miles turns it on and a signal appears, indicating that Excel is still alive somehow. That's how this movie ends. If you liked the movie even a little, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.